Hey guys, how's it going? It's Harveer Singh here. Today we're going to talk about building your sphere of influence. First off, what is a sphere of influence? This is your base for the people that you're going to be marketing yourself to the most. Let's just say if you're in the beginning of your career, your sphere of influence is going to be like your family, your friends, your uncles, your aunts, your cousins.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Lawn care person. So it's really going to be anyone and everyone that you've ever had any interaction with. Now, if you're an experienced realtor, this is going to be filled with, yes, your major referral partners, your friends and family, but really by the time you've been years in the game, you're going to know out of all your friends and family, which are the ones that are going to be pushing you the most, right? It could be your uncle, it could be your cousin, but you're going to also know the type of family that doesn't really push you the most. So, that's when it really hurts.
Why?
First thing that you really want to do is fill out an Excel sheet, right, with the different columns like the names, emails, addresses, phone numbers, and notes. You're going to put in every single client that you've had in the past, right? You're going to have all your past buyers in there. You're going to have all your past sellers in there, all the tenants that you rented to, and all the landlords that you rented to in all the years that you've been doing real estate. Which customer relationship management software, which CRM is the best to use, it doesn't matter. Just use one. That's the most important thing. What you could do with this list, right? You put it into the CRM. You could use this list to blast emails, right? So what I like to do is send out market reports quarterly. Anytime there is like a market tip that I think is really important about maybe your local area, some national real estate news, I send a video out. You should always be calling, texting your base, right? Your sphere of influence. I suggest people do handwritten notes to their bases. So, birthday cards, anniversaries of when they close on the house with you. And reaching out to people doesn't have to be so salesy. You could be like, hey, John, what's going on? I just drove by your place and I was just thinking about you. How's the house going? Right? Something as simple as that. Now, also, you could use this list that you've created and find them on social media, right? Make sure that you're friending all your past clients on Facebook, Instagram, and whatever other social media platforms that you might be using. If you're keeping them on your social media, every time you post something, it might just go on their page and then they're going to remember you, right? There are also plenty of people out there that do real estate and then they just forget to tell people that they're doing it, and then all of a sudden they'll go by and Joe Schmo's gonna come by and be like, oh my god, like you'll see a post on Facebook, oh, I finally closed on my dream home, and you're like, shoot, like you were supposed to use me. And it's not their fault, it's your fault because you didn't reach out to them and you didn't keep in touch with them. So that's why it's so important to have an organized base, your organized sphere of influence. Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you liked that video, and if you want to see more like it, make sure that you subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks.